Hi David, my name is Tony Finley at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for contacting me on the 2015 Elantra. I have both cars that you were interested in. Both are limited, one in white and one in the gray. Let me tell you a little bit about the differences in the cars. The gray one here, automatic. All of them come with wraparound lights, fog lights. You got the aluminum wheels with the gray accent. If you step inside here, now this vehicle has black leather, automatic, backup camera, automatic headlights. You have your stereo controls, Bluetooth, cruise control. If you look back here in the back, this is a four-door with great interior space. You also have center cup holders here in the back. Have heated seats in the back and in the front. Now let me tell you a little bit about the white one, David. The white one is also a limit. But this one has the push button start with the proximity key. Has sunroof on it, and this one right here is a manual with the 6-speed transmission. It has the gray leather interior. Back here in the back, it also has cup holders too. Plenty of seating here. If you look, it has the sunroof. David, this vehicle here has a 6-speed transmission that gives great gas mileage. Now, David, both of these cars will come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. But we here at Tameron we appreciate you coming to see us. So we give you another 10 years, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty on both cars. That's a total of 20 years, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty total on those cars. Now, David, you can reach me at 205-380-6250, or you can hit me on my cell in case I'm running around on the lot taking care of customers at 205-335-3988. Once again, Dave, I have both cars, the white and the gray, limited, one manual, one automatic.